So let's say you have some greens from the garden and you want to wash them up. Always wash your vegetables really well. But here's a cool little thing you can use. It's called a salad spinner. If you don't have a salad spinner, you should get one. They're great little things to have. This lid goes on top. It just sits right on there. And then all I have to do now is to push on the top of this right here, and it starts to spin. And it will go faster and faster and faster, and it gets all the water that was on your greens off. And once all the water's off, then you've got just fresh salad. I'm going to show you. I'll take the lid off. You can see it's still spinning. And now, look at that. Totally dry, not soggy or anything. Those greens are ready to put in my salad, and they're going to be delicious. All kinds of good stuff in there, good vitamins. See the colors? You got some purple, you got some green, you got some light green, dark green. The colors are good. Colors mean nutrients, and you want those colors. So just a little tip, a salad spinner, this little guy right here, they make them all different kinds, all different brands, but they work really well, and they get that extra water that was on your lettuce off, so that your dressing doesn't get diluted and your salad doesn't taste soggy or wet. It's worth it to get one. So if you don't have one, get a salad spinner. All right. And I just want to remind you guys, as I always do, to love each other. Love each other deeply from the heart. Remember that love is patient. Love is kind. Love does not keep a record of wrongs. It is not easily angered. It always rejoices with the truth and does not delight in evil. Love always protects. It always trusts. It always hopes. It always perseveres. And that's why God's love never fails. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.